How to fix Messenger logout problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now all what you want to do is just scroll until you find Messenger. When you find Messenger, click on it easily like this and then click on force stop and go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options and disable only the roaming data. Go back and then click on the storage or the internal storage right here. It will start computing as you can see. Just wait a few seconds. After it get finished the computing, click on clear data and click on delete. So all these apps data will be deleted. After that, all what you want to do now is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook Messenger and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.